everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. For today's video, let me show you on how to delete Remitly account. Let's start this by opening your Remitly app on your device. Log into your account, and once you're in the main dashboard, then tap on the Manage button below. Tap on the Profile button, and then in here, scroll down to the bottom. Under the My Remitly section, tap on Close My Profile button. Now read the information here before deleting your account. By closing your profile, you will no longer be able to access your profile details or view your activity and transfer history. You can contact your customer service when you want to reopen your account. Once you're ready, tap on the box and then tap Close My Profile, and there your account has been closed or deleted. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.